Hey YouTube, thought I would do kind of an unboxing, even though I've already got this unboxed. But this is a Philips Airfryer that I was able to pick up, Black Friday deal. Thought I would give it a run, give it a test here. I'm gonna open it up. See, it has the basket. You can dump your fries, dump your food inside of there. It's got a grate to keep it up off the bottom. Look at the front of it. Got the temperature gauge you want to set it for. This is how many minutes you're going to have it run for. A couple examples on the side here. Muffins, chicken, different things like that. I'm going to have to take a look at some recipes online. It didn't come with a recipe book, but that's fine. This actually comes apart. Anyway, the inside basket comes out. Let me just zoom out a little bit here. You can see the inside basket will come out once I get the tape off of it. I think I'm going to try to throw some onion rings or fries or something in it to give it a test, and I'll report back and let you know how this does. A little button inside there that you have to press, and there we go. So as soon as you press that, this basket comes out. Good for cleaning as well. You can see on the bottom what they call their starfish design, so that the heat will be, I guess as it blows down around, the starfish is supposed to help even the heat distribution. So we'll give it a wash and give it a try. I'm going to run some Nathan's onion rings through this as our first test. Once this dings here, another couple of minutes, we'll throw these in. Moved it over to another spot on the counter, just so that the heat would rise and not go underneath the countertops. I'm just doing a preheat of it. About 3 minutes at 390 degrees, and we'll see what happens. The onion rings are in there cooking now. We'll come back in 7 minutes, see what happens. See how crispy they are. Alright folks, this is 8 minutes. I'm just opening it up and you can see how crispy everything looks there. See if I can get that to focus in. But they did crisp up in this in the air fryer. I'm actually surprised. Let them cool down a little bit and I'm going to give some a try. That seems to be a success.